A pulling force making an angle theta to the horizontal is applied on a block of weight W placed on a horizontal table. If the angle of friction is alpha, the magnitude of the force required to move the body is equal to. Let us suppose that this is horizontal table. According to problem, the surface of this table is rough, and he said that angle of friction is alpha. So we know that coefficient of friction is tan of angle of friction, which is alpha. So coefficient of friction for this surface is mu equals to tan alpha. Now it is said that a block is placed on this surface whose weight is W, and this block is pulled by a force F, which is making an angle theta with the horizontal. Now if we draw free body diagram on this block, weight acts vertically downwards and normal reaction force acts vertically upwards. Now F gets resolved into two components as F cos theta towards right and F sin theta vertically upwards. So now weight balances normal reaction force plus F sin theta. From this equation we can write normal reaction force as W minus F sin theta. Now F cos theta causes the block to move towards right. So frictional force acts towards left. Now for the block to move in forward direction, F cos theta should be greater than or equal to frictional force. So this means F cos theta should be greater than or equal to mu times normal force, and normal force is W minus F sin theta. So mu times W minus F sin theta. Rearranging this equation, we can write as F times cos theta plus mu times sin theta is greater than or equal to mu times W. So F is greater than or equal to, mu is tan alpha, so it is tan alpha into W whole upon cos theta plus tan alpha times sin theta. So expanding tan alpha as sin alpha by cos alpha, and further simplifying this, we get F is greater than or equal to W sin alpha upon cos of theta minus alpha. So the minimum force required to slide the block is given by W sin alpha upon cos of theta minus alpha. So the correct option is 2.